Here, why don't you move it a little closer to you, okay? Awesome. Did you get any shell in there?
I did.
You did? Okay. Okay, just set it down. Grab your rag and wipe your hands off.
It has to be right here so I can reach it.
So you can reach it, that's right. Let's see how much shell you got in. I don't see any. You did pretty good. Okay, pour it in your cookies. Go ahead and pour it in. Pour the egg into your cookies.
This?
No, the egg that you just broke open. I put more cookie dough in there.
That?
Pour the egg in there.
This?
Yes, pour the egg in it. No. Put that back in there. Pour the egg in the bowl.
Where?
Like you did before. Pick that up and pour it in the bowl with the